When I'm not working on shows or academics, I'm outside. My name's Katey Christianson. I'm from Seattle, Washington, and I'm a theater arts design and production major concentrating in scenic design. My favorite spot on campus is the BU Beach. It is absolutely beautiful. You can just sit in the grass with your friends, by yourself, and it's just a great place to hang out. You can look at the water. I always sit there with a new book, throw frisbee with some friends, either just goof around or take a nap. It's just a really great place to be. I'm really inspired to dive into art through nature. When you're taking a hike and you're in a mountain pass, it's just so beautiful. It's truly inspiring to try to go into the theater and create something that is beautiful and that can inspire people as much as being in that environment. And I don't think any other career can do that as much as the arts.